Alright, we're out here in beautiful Brawny Creek on a late September morning. It's going to be hot today. Trying out, this is my maiden voyage of the Mutt bass jet. Also, actually maiden voyage of a couple other things. I created this TPU lid, flexible lid, sealing lid for the engine area, engine compartment. So I'm going to test out just how well that seals. And also, haven't yet done these. I tried these before, but these are the my trim flaps that are made out of TPU. The idea being that they have a bit of give to them, but they're still pretty tough. So let's see how this sucker plays out here. Alright, I gotta definitely trim back the steering. It's super sensitive. Man, I've never driven a boat before, so I kinda knew it was. Lots of power, that's good. Let's go somewhere where there's... Oh, sorry, salmon. I'm going to give it a check to see just how much water is in the hull after this. Whoa! I've got a reverse enabled, but I've never really tested it. Let's see if that works a bit. Too sensitive on the steering, way too sensitive. Uh-oh. I thought I lost signal. I didn't. Whoa! Look at that! Did you catch that? That was pretty good. Good old test of the PETG material to see how well that has done. I like it. Right. Let's see how much water we have in this guy. Let's just take it over here. Let's see here. What kind of waterproofing have we got going on here? Let's see how well this TPU lid has done its job. Okay, a few little drops in there, but a little bit of dampness. Oh, it's just a trickle. That's fine. It's probably leaking through the seals. And, you know, parts of the entry points back here, probably something going on there. I think we're okay. I'm impressed. This TPU seal's rocking it. All right. Working hard. Shit. It's cut out on me. Oh, the battery's dead. Oh, there we go. Back alive. Come on. Come on. Ah. Caught up on simple little shit. Let's see what's going on over here. Anything ish? Oh, no wonder why it's full of shit. That's why. I'm happy. Clean it up. Alright. Maybe that's gonna help. Trim flaps are looking okay. cutting out. Fucker. What's going on, man? Why am I losing you? Again. I think the battery is already run down. Alright, let's not drag it out. Do a battery check. Try to get out of here. I'm impressed though. I'm happy with the design. I'm happy with the trim flaps so far. And I'm happy with the TPU lid that I whipped up here. Very minimal water ingress in this guy. Yeah.